Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to install Among Us on your iPhone. This will apply to any iPhone, including iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone X, you name it. All right. Now, of course, the methods for installing on your iOS device, including iPads and so on, including the iPhone, is limited to the App Store. So make sure you're connected to the internet, then go into the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, guys, go ahead and go to the search tab. Then you're going to search for Among Us. There you go. Then you're going to simply tap on the app and hit get. It's free. So go ahead and hit install. Once you hit install, guys, it should go ahead and install the application. Give it time. Alright guys, once it's finished, you can hit open, and of course I'm just going to go ahead and find the app. You can search for the application. It should be somewhere on your home screen. As you can see here, mine is right here. There you go. There you go, guys. Alright, there you go. This is the Among Us on your iPhone. You can go ahead and figure out how to play local, online, or you can do the free to play option. Alright guys, so that's how to install Among Us. If you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.